Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Since Eid and Rakhi are around corner, I thought of creating a look that is appropriate for Eid as well as for Rakhi, and this is what I came up with. This beautiful soft glam brown and bronze glittery eye look. This is very easy to recreate and it is very glam at the same time, and it's perfect for any party, any occasion or any outfit. Trust me, it is really easy to recreate. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel, and if you are interested in those things, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the shade Black Brown, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. And the brush that I'm using is from Morphe. I recently uploaded my updated eyebrow routine. I will have it linked in the description bar down below, as well as on the upper right hand corner of this video. So please go ahead and check that out. That video is going to be really helpful for you. I have shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve that perfect brow each time you do your makeup. So please do check that out. Now I'm taking this Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a party makeup, this step is must for me. And one more thing, I want to make a quick little disclaimer here. I finally got a ring light and I'm so happy for that. So I'm still trying to figure out the actual lighting setup for my video. So if the lighting seems to be a little bit off, then please do excuse that, because I am still trying to figure out things, so please give me some time. I have applied the concealer on my eyelids, and now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. Now I'm taking my Coty Airspun translucent extra coverage loose powder, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Butter, which is a beautiful warm toned brown color from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and with this Morphe M441 brush, I am applying it as my transition color. It works well as my transition color, especially for my skin tone, and I'm applying a very little pressure, because if you apply a lot of pressure, then it may become patchy. And taking little by little product, I am just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking Putter, which is a tad bit darker shade than the previous one, and I'm taking it with this JS12 brush again from Morphe, and I'm applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease. And as you can see, I'm slowly building it up again, because if you take a lot of product at a time, then it may become patchy and it will be really hard to blend. And now I'm just applying it on my crease just to give my crease a nice definition. Now I'm taking Queen with my Morphe M124 brush, and I'm applying it on my eyelid. This is such a stunning shimmery gold color. You do not even need to wet your brush. It applies beautifully without wetting your brush. Now I'm going with the shade called Cheap. It is again a darker brown shade and it has a warm undertone. And with this E.L.F blending brush, I'm applying it on my outer V area just to create that nice gradient effect. Now I'm taking Soda Pop with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm applying it on my outer V area just to give my outer V area a little bit of depth. And you can see I'm just dragging the color towards my outer V area. That way it will give me an elongated eye effect. Now I'm taking this NYX Glitter Primer and I'm applying it on top of the golden shade. And glitter is completely optional, you can totally skip it, but for me personally I wanted something extra, that's why I decided to use a glitter. And for my glitter I'm using this NYX glitter in the shade bronze, and I'm applying it on top of the glitter primer, and I'm applying it in a way so that it looks a bit dispersed, because I do not want a concentrated glittery look, if that makes sense. And with my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, you know it's my favorite, I'm just drawing a wing here. Adding that glitter just adds a little bit of oomph to the look, which I absolutely love. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. And for that I'm taking this E.L.F Jelly Pop primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. If you want to grab this primer, this is the perfect time to grab it because it is back in stock on Ulta's website as well as on E.L.F's website. This particular primer is my favorite. It gives your face a little bit of tackiness and your makeup just becomes long lasting. For color correcting, I'm using my favorite L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector and I'm just applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, dark patches, acne spots, dark circles, etc, etc, etc. And now I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Wet n Wild. For my foundation, I am taking this NARS Longwear foundation in the shade Valencia and I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. Don't worry if it is looking a tad bit lighter than my skin tone, because this foundation, you guys, it does oxidize, and after that it becomes a perfect match for my skin tone. So if you are planning to grab this foundation, just keep that thing in mind. And the sponge that I'm using is my all-time favorite. It's a spot-on dupe for the Beauty Blender. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes. And you can totally see the foundation has already oxidized, right? I'm just blending out the concealer using the same damp beauty sponge. This concealer blends out so easily and it gives you kind of medium to full coverage, but you can totally build it up and make it look full coverage if you want to. See, just tap 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 and it is already blended. Just see. To set my under eyes as well as my smile lines, I'm using the same Coty Airspun loose powder and I'm using the same damp beauty sponge and I'm just pushing the product so that everything becomes crease proof, you know. This is my favorite way of setting my concealed areas. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Maybelline SuperStay powder foundation in the shade 312 Golden and I'm just setting my entire makeup. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or gel eyeliner that you have. Now I'm taking Soda Pop with an angled brush from Pune store and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line with it. And I'm just smoking it out a bit so that my eyes look a bit bigger. Now I'm taking Putter and I'm just diffusing the border of Soda Pop so that it does not look harsh. And I'm taking Queen, which is the shimmery gold shade, and I'm applying it on the inner part of my lower lash line just to tie the look together. Basically, I'm using the order of my eyelid here. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Now you can totally skip falsies if you want to, but I am a falsie person, so I'm going to use falsies, of course. But again, you can totally skip falsies if you are wearing this look during daytime, or if you are not comfortable with falsies. And for my falsies, I'm using this Bayful and Fox Mink lashes. I will mention the style as well as the purchase link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. And now I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. And the brush that I'm using, it came with my Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I'm just using it for this purpose. And here is the final eye look. I really love the way how it turned out. It is so glam and it is so simple at the same time, like my kind of look. Now I'm going to finish my face. For that, I'm taking this particular shade from my NYX contour palette, and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using an angled brush from Pune store. And you know the drill, right? Like my forehead, the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, as well as my nose. And to contour my nose, I'm using this brush E62, Morphe E62 brush. I'm taking this Revolution Pro bronzer in the shade Cacao. Such a stunning bronzer, you guys. You need this in your life. For my blush, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. And I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, as well as on my nose. And my camera was dead, so you will not see that. For my highlighter, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter again, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the sides of my forehead. And I quickly changed my outfit because my camera was charging during that time. Now I'm just setting my entire makeup using my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Mist. For my lips, I'm going with this Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Dazed, I believe. And it's a beautiful brown color, and it just instantly brightens up everything. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I truly love the way how it turned out. According to me, I can wear this look to any party, to any occasion. And actually, I have worn this look to so many parties. You guys have no idea about it. This is like my go-to kind of a look. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you do, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends and family, and it will just mean a lot to me. Please do so. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below as well, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.